Every old Japanese car enthusiast knows this sound, the speed chime. It wasn't some fancy feature, but a clever way to annoy drivers into slowing down. Back in the 1980s, Japan came up with this polite yet smart system to stop people from speeding. Once your car hit around 66 miles per hour, a soft ding would start playing, and it wouldn't stop until you slowed down. Why 66? Because Japan's national speed limit was 60 mph, with a small 6-mile grace. This feature was found in many old JDM cars, but the most iconic one was the Toyota AE86, made famous by the Initial D anime.